So this is a Jiffy Health app, which is a one-stop solution for entire healthcare need. Here you can get video consulting with IoT integrated video consulting. You can get even book the RT-PCR test. You can have a live status availability of the various beds into the hospital, etc. And the most recent and the most significant inclusion recently, the order medical supply. So this is concentrating onto the basically the oxygen cylinder, oxygen concentrator, and the portable ICU ventilator. So I have clicked over there, and I can see that the various the suppliers, where are the warehouse and what is the location from here. So based on the cost and the distance, we choose. Let's say oxygen concentrator, I want to buy or procure 10 quantities. I put a 10 over here. It's going to be a basket. I put an oxygen cylinder, 8 quantities. So I put it OK over there. Portable ICU is a 5. So I'm putting over there and then pressing OK. So now I'm in the bottom. I have a proceed. So I'm going to proceed. I can see what I have created a demand and what is the value and cost for that. I can also define whether I'm representing hospital and society or the corporate. So I'm representing a hospital. Date of delivery I have to put, let's say it is the earliest, and warehouse is also close by. So I'm putting a tomorrow's date and pressing OK. So I want on 28th, whether it's a SOS, urgent or normal. So I'm keeping in the level is the urgency level, and I want to the option is for donation, subsidized rate or cash purchase, but I want them on a priority basis. So for the cash purchase, they'll be widely available. So I'm putting over there. Now my position is by default picked up, and I can also put the pin code, but that's optional. But I confirm the order right now, and pin code it is compulsory. So 411028, and I'm pressing OK. So now I'm confirming the order. So my order is confirmed. I can see the message. Now this trigger is going to the our supply side, and supplier will get a notification, which I'm going to show into the different screen, next screen. Thank you. Yeah, so just now I have demonstrated that demand has been created for oxygen concentrator and ventilators, as well as the oxygen cylinders. And this is hitting to the supplier domain, and we are logging in here. The supplier, their ID and password, which is confidential to the supplier, has been put in here, and I'm pressing here the sign in. So the moment I put a sign in, the uniquely encrypted and confidential page of the supplier opens up. Right now we have given a dashboard and then location management, and then various branches also can be registered. One supplier may have various branches. So I'm going to demonstrate now the order management. So order management means we can see that Jiffy Pune had just now, let me click onto that. So order on top of that, I can see that the order number ORD 2021. So that has been created by Mr. Indraj Jha. My email ID and mobile number is there, and my address is there that I have created from Amanora Parktown. The demand is on the urgent basis, and I'm representing a hospital. I want a cash purchase. Distance from the warehouse luckily is very less, 7.34. The warehouse detail and location and their mobile contact details also there. What the quantity I have ordered oxygen cylinder, as you have seen into the previous, it was 8. So it is there. Portable ICU is the 5, and the oxygen concentrator is total 10 quantity of the 5 liter. So the total value is also, you can see out here. And then finally I have to assign the logistics. So logistics algorithm works in their own different manner. Based on the current location of the register's logistics partner, we get a choice that who is the nearest one, and the optimum, the cost also plays a role here. So who, based on the distance and cost, the optimization takes place. I'm assigning it to Jiffy Logistics. So I select them, and there is one more thing to be taken care here. It's a delivery charges to be paid by whom? That's a supplier or user. In this case, I'm putting the end user, and also it has to be pre-negotiated. So let's say I put a 20,000. It's a pre-negotiated rupees value, and then I click onto the assign. The moment that it is clicked onto the assigned, it is going to the as a notification management through WhatsApp, through email, and the SMS to that logistics partner and the driver as well, who is keeping the app and their position can be tracked by the our admin, by the demand creator or the buyer, as well as the management of the logistics company. So now into the next screen, I'm going to show that how logistics management works. Thank you.
So I will show the Zippy delivery application functionality. When supplier assign any logistic, then that logistic will get and placed order details in Zippy delivery application, where you can check there is a first application from the name, mobile number, address, and the product details are showing, like let's say oxygen concentrator 10 liter for 10, oxygen concentrator 5 liters 10, oxygen cylinder B type 10, portable ICU ventilator 10. Then I need to click on update order status. So when I click on update order status, there is one notification will generate, so I need to click on yes. And once you click on yes, there is a one mobile functionality option getting enabled. So if needed, that this delivery person can make a call to that demander to ask or to get the location details or to ask have any queries. Then later, once the order will deliver to the location, then we need to click again on order update order status. Then here one OTP will generate at the demander side. We need to enter that OTP 94. Then here the order delivered will shows, so order placed successfully. Then at the demander side as well, in the history the delivered option will be shown. So this is the functionality of the Zippy delivery application. Thank you.